Well, this book is an amazing book for a book club because think about what, I'm going to say women here, but this book is gender neutral. It's really important to know. But women tend to, especially when they find out there's a makeup artist in the room or if somebody is selling their own makeup, it is just a topic of conversation that comes up so much. And a lot of it is just guessing, and a lot of it is just talking about what they bought or what's working and what's not. And why this book makes a perfect book club book is because it has structure. The way I've outlined all the chapters, it goes in order, more or less, of how you would actually want to approach any type of makeup application. I talk first about the business of makeup, about how to shop for makeup, be a smart consumer, what to look out for. But then I go into skincare, and then I break every single foundation, blushes, bronzers, contouring. What is contouring? What is baking? What are these techniques and these trends that we're seeing, and are they right for you? So I feel like this is the perfect digestible amount of information that you can use weekly or however often the book club meets to actually discuss and learn together and celebrate the beauty of every single participant. So this book is perfect for anybody, male, female, child, grandmother, grandfather, anybody who is interested in learning more about how they can wear makeup and what makeup works for them. It could also be anybody who's curious about learning what is makeup and what is it used for and how is it used and why is it applied. You can order the book at BeYourOwnMakeupArtist.com. You can also find it at several other major book retailers. If you have a local library, if maybe the book isn't in your budget, you can go to your library and request a copy of the book. I have an agreement with libraries. And if you are a bookstore or if you are interested in ordering a bulk size, I do have an agreement where we can do some wholesale pricing. So the book is available at all the major retailers, the libraries, and also at some of the big box stores. The actual book itself is a beautifully designed, well thought out. We thought of every single page of this book and we made sure that it flowed nicely, but let me just tell you about the cover of the book. It's a beautiful velvety matte finish, and it is both sides here, and you have a beautiful spine here. Now this is if you order it off of my website. And the one thing that I love is that it reads like a magazine and it flows and there's call outs and you can actually refer to it. And what's also amazing is that the women featured in this book are real women. There's some of my friends that I had asked to do this. Why? Because that is real life. And you'll find that it's gender neutral. You'll find that it's inclusive. It doesn't matter how old you are, and it doesn't matter the color of your skin, and it doesn't matter if you identify as male and female. This book is really just a great tool and beautifully designed. My team and I designed every single diagram and tweaked them and built off of them to make makeup approachable and easy and not scary or confusing. If you would like to work with me one-on-one, I do still do makeup and I do offer private lessons both in person and virtually, but I also would love to speak at your next event, or if you have a book club and maybe I can make an appearance, I would love to work with you and collaborate with you or your organization.